While poking around on the Bloom's digital taxonomy site, I became interested in the SAMR model of educational technology. The first level, substitution, means basically a task is carried out exactly as it would have been except using a form of technology. The video that's attached to this compares it to a teacher having students type a story on a word processor instead of writing the story out longhand. It's basically the same task, just using a different technology. But the next level, augmentation, is kind of your basic plus. They likened this in the video to, say, the function that spell check performs in the word processing technology. The third level, modification, begins to change the nature of the task itself, and the fourth level, redefinition, transforms the task into something that better matches Bloom's evaluate and create levels. Now, this caught my attention initially because it reminded me of the workplace training that takes place at my current job. My employer offers online training courses, technically. I use this the loosest possible sense of the term. Their online courses are what I would consider the worst possible form of substitution. They consist of a WebEx conference call and an online set of PowerPoint slides. And the course facilitator actually reads to us over the phone line. It's an example where technology has been substituted without any functional change and certainly without any improvement. So as I was thinking about the SAMR model, I started to wonder what sort of forms modification and redefinition would take in online training for the workplace. Now, to be frank, I still don't know enough about the subject to come to any conclusion. Also, all of this is so context dependent that without a specific example to work off of, I have trouble forming any solid ideas about what things might look like. But in thinking about the SAMR model, in conjunction with Bloom's taxonomy, it's helping me visualize different levels of educational technology that are available to designers. There are those that are just intended to move the learning experience into the digital realm. And then it goes all the way up to those that are intended to change the experience into something bigger and more engaging. So that's, I think, why I found this, it stuck with me more than the others did.